Hi, I'm Steve Robinson, former world boxing champion and standing in for Propel, South Wales Central Region. Yeah, I'm a boxing coach and also a personal trainer, but the last year's been really obviously bad with the lockdown and everything, and the gyms open and shutting. We just want to try and lift the lockdown and get things going back to normal and then running as smooth as normal. Propel has a contract with Wales. We say in the contract we will reclassify gyms as essential services because gyms are essential to keep people healthy and mentally well. Training is so important for your health, obviously, and your mental health. I believe in obviously keeping a healthy lifestyle, well-being, and that's important. And also the mental health as well, that's important as well. So the mind's a very powerful thing. So we need to be focused physically and mentally. So it's important to have a good immune system and training and healthy lifestyle is important. With the gyms being open, it helps the National Health Service. Wales League champions, I'm Steve Robinson and I'm standing for Propel. We're in there to win.